Alright guys, I would say welcome back to the YouTube channel, but I've never put out anything on this YouTube channel before. But we're driving right now, which you shouldn't be recording and driving at all. I do not recommend this. We're running late. We're gonna meet up with our friend. He has a 2018 Acura NSX, modified, full bolt-ons, tuned, and running on meth, I believe. So it's a really fun car. It's always a blast to ride in that thing. But yeah, we're gonna be taking a cruise from Phoenix to Flagstaff, which is about a 2-hour cruise. So hopefully it's fun. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and we're just gonna get straight into it. Sheesh. Little Hellcat. Psych. Clean ass car though. Woo! We have arrived. We got the Acura NSX over there, the Alfa Romeo.
So it's not like you don't have 25% of your head in the view,
Exactly.
or it's like.
Well, I'm
Good
gonna
morning.
put it on 1.5.
What's up?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's do this.
You'll see a little bit of the steering wheel bit.
I never wake up early, but for these events, I always wake up early.
Good morning.
Good morning, how you doing?
Good.
I'll make it like a little vlog type of video for today.
Well, I've got a, not only that, I have my GoPro. We can stick right in this window right
Oh, do
here.
you?
Yeah.
Oh, it'd be
We'll
sick.
experiment with that. So.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
We're ready to roll. Drive safe.
This is the end, this is the end, this is the end of me. Playing pretend that I'm available emotionally. I'm off of bins, going around bins, could be the death of me. I'm not ready, I'm not ready. Maybe I'm the best mistake you ever made. It sounds so fucking beautiful when you say my name. I'm praying to a God I don't
In
believe.
0.1 miles, turn left. And then, turn left.
Looking for air.
1 miles.
Oh, we're here.
Oh, there it is.
Alright guys, so we are here at the gas station currently. Jeff, the owner of this Acura NSX, has to put air in the tire real quick, and Kyle's fueling up, and I believe we're going to be joining up with 2 more people coming here shortly. But it's been a blast so far. I mean, hopefully you guys have seen, you know, the speed of this car. We haven't even floored it yet, which is crazy because it's freaking fast. Also, there's a meet over there in Flagstaff that I just found out about that we're going to be joining, so hopefully we see some more cool cars, and yeah, stay along for the ride. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
The richest from rags, I just believe in myself and somehow I made it out the block. I hit the road, I spend a 20 clip minimum every time I wanna shop. High on my mind, I might just go buy another pair of some shit I already got. I'm getting bags, I'm right in the middle of quarantine, made 10 million on the dot. Rico and pants, my right pocket full of them Zans. I know that I said I would stop. Man with the plan, I told him just follow my lead, and I took my whole team to the top. Don't check the tag, and I don't check the receipt. If I see it, I want it, I cop. Shoutout GBs, I got some connections in Queens. I get my J's before they drop.
go undefeated. Hit your block and then I bleed it. Go long, these bullets he receive it. I can't see it. My wrist look like a snow cone, make her eat it. Once I see her, I give her that dope just like it's eaten. Then I leave her. I can't get caught up, I can't be on cheaters. Look at them people, you know what it is. Go put that dope up for they breaches. Before they breaches, I'ma get out this shit, I'm striking, I'm throwing my heater. Whole lot of money instead it keep coming forever. I'm living my life like a Peter. Dope boy, I'm straight out the knife, I came up selling hard. Hell run, I'm straight from the knife, I went bought me a dime. I jumped off the poacher and bought me a gun. We bought in the jet cause my dog got a warrant. But don't give a with a stick, we'll be gone. I moved up out that molly, I cover my gums. Got an elo, my aim on point. Shoot a neck Glock, give me pain in my joint. We shoot a 50 round drum, honey bun. I want 2,000, I want both of they tongues. I know how to handle they books, I'm a damage. Can't run, we gon' kill everyone. You know where I'm from, give a how you come. Got a stick in the car and it sound like a bomb. I came in.
Alright guys, we made it back home. Huge shout out to Jeff for giving us a ride along in his 2018 Acura NSX. It was truly an unforgettable experience, as it always is riding in his car. As far as the meet there, it was really cool as well. Hopefully this didn't turn out like shit, but yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Hey, like Costa Rica, swipe a Visa 17, but I'm gonna be a millionaire. Drift a beamer, bloody sneakers, pack of wood, and my sweat fit billionaire. Costa Rica, swipe a Visa 17, but I'm gonna be a millionaire.